nothing, I was born in hell. We got the heat, the sinners, and the devil is welling. This kind of town, it just fans the flame. It don't mean nothing unless the world knows your name. And my friend plays a mean guitar. He writes the riffs and I sing the bars. And we practice in abandoned railroad cars. We sound like trash but think we're superstars. We were just young, dreaming the dream, and trying to make our name up on that local scene. Till late one night when my friend left town, and I started hearing music without the sound. I'm saving money, working the drive-thru, singing through the speaker, will that be all for you? Cashed it in and I bought that ride. Just a pen, a paper, and my girl at my side said, to find it, but every curtain got a ghost behind it. I hear the voice from my grandma saying, go, but son, if you make it, don't forget about home. I'm getting high, getting drunk every weekend. Behind my girl's back, I've been sneaking. Hear the voice from my father saying, son, it don't mean shit unless you hit number one. Is a den of thieves. I can't afford to live, I can't afford to breathe. Along that barrel I would scrape and scrape, till that beautiful day I went and made that mixtape. And label man says there's just too much sound, it's too personal, can you water it down? Forget that, I'm just gonna put this thing out. Let the universe decide if I should wear the crown. Back home, can you see me now? Whole world, can you see me now? Long enough for you to put your iPhone down. Grandmama, there's my name in lights. I'm selling out arenas on a Tuesday night. So at your funeral I take us far. Still sound like trash, but I'm a superstar.